15-year-old double yellow-headed Amazon.
All right, well, good luck, Echo.
What's your name?
Hello.
Can you say hen?
Hello.
How about hi?
Hi.
And Spanish, hola.
Hola.
And que pasa?
¿Qué pasa?
And we don't go fast enough. You want to hurry.
Arriba, arriba.
Hurry.
Arriba, arriba.
All right, we're going to sing, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can we do old?
McDonald had a farm. Yeah.
Very good.
Oh, that bird has talent.
And we have a lot of animals. What do we have there? Did you see a chicken? A chicken. How about a rooster?
Wow.
Did you see a sheep? A sheep. His favorite animal is a kitty. A kitty. And you do a chihuahua. Chihuahua. Beautiful, honey. What a good boy. He has a couple people impressions. He does an excellent sneeze. Can you cry? And everybody thinks you're pretty funny. Funny. He also has his grand finale song, so we're going to do a little warm-up. You ready? La. Very good. Echo, honey, where do bluebirds fly? I love that one. Give everyone a big kiss. Big kiss.